Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of blending with our top picks for the best blenders of 2024. Whether you're a smoothie fanatic, a culinary genius, or just looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, these blenders are guaranteed to revolutionize your cooking experience, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these must-have kitchen gadgets. So, let's jump right in and explore the cream of the crop. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ninja Professional Blender. With its powerful motor and sleek design, this blender is perfect for whipping up smoothies, sauces, and even crushing ice with ease. Plus, its convenient single-serve cups make it ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for creating delicious smoothies, icy drinks, and more. With a powerful 1000-watt motor, this blender can crush ice and blend through tough ingredients with ease, giving you silky smooth results every time. Designed with a generous 72-ounce capacity pitcher, it's perfect for preparing large batches of drinks to share with family and friends. Whether you're whipping up refreshing smoothies or indulging in resort-style frozen drinks, the Ninja BL610 has got you covered. Equipped with total crushing technology, this blender ensures unbeatable power with blades that pulverize ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in mere seconds. Say goodbye to lumpy textures and hello to perfectly blended concoctions. Cleanup is a breeze with the BPA-free and dishwasher-safe pitcher, making it as simple to clean up as it is to use. Plus, the included recipe guide provides endless inspiration for creating new and exciting drinks and dishes. Experience professional-grade performance and convenience with the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. Elevate your blending game and enjoy delicious homemade creations with ease. Next up at number 4, we have the NutriBullet Pro 900. This compact yet mighty blender packs a punch, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts. Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or nuts, the NutriBullet Pro 900 ensures silky smooth results every time. The NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender, your perfect companion for blending up nutritious and delicious smoothies in a flash. With its sleek champagne finish and compact design, this blender is as stylish as it is functional. Featuring a powerful 900-watt motor, the NutriBullet Pro is faster and stronger than the original, allowing you to effortlessly blend dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and kale. Power your day with smooth, sippable nutrition that's ready in seconds. Designed for ease of use, the NutriBullet Pro boasts a simple and intuitive design. Just push, twist, and blend. It's that easy. With most smoothies ready in under 60 seconds, you can fit healthful nutrition into even the busiest of days. Cleanup is a breeze with the NutriBullet Pro. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning and hello to healthful living without the fuss. Experience the NutriBullet difference with blades designed for nutrition extraction, turning ordinary ingredients into superfoods. Get the most nutrition out of every blend and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Included with the NutriBullet Pro are 1 power base, 1 cross blade, 2 24-ounce mugs, 2 sippy lids, 2 lip rings with handles, 1 care and instruction manual, 1 pocket nutritionist, and 1 blasting for optimum health recipes book. Elevate your blending game and start your journey to optimum health today with the NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender. Coming in at number 3 is the KitchenAid K400. Known for its stylish design and exceptional performance, this blender is a must-have for any home chef. From soups to smoothies, the KitchenAid K400 delivers consistent blending power, allowing you to achieve perfect textures with minimal effort. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender with personal blending jar in sleek contour silver, your ultimate blending companion for creating delicious and nutritious smoothies on the go. With its 1,200 watts of power, this blender effortlessly tackles tough ingredients like kale and almonds, turning them into silky smooth blends in no time. Whether you're at home or on the move, the included 56-ounce blender jar and 16 ounces personal blender jar with resealable lid make it easy to enjoy your favorite drinks wherever you are. Blending has never been easier thanks to the innovative 3-part blending system. Featuring a vortex-creating rib jar design, unique asymmetric blade, and IntelliSpeed motor control, this blender automatically senses contents and maintains the optimal speed for a perfect blend every time. Cleanup is a breeze with the self-clean cycle. Simply add water and a drop of soap to the jar and run the cycle for quick and easy cleaning. Plus, the variable speed dial allows you to create a range of textures, from smooth to chunky, while the soft start feature ensures ingredients are pulled into the blade smoothly to avoid splatter. Model KSB 4031 includes everything you need to get started, including one 56-ounce blender jar with lid, one personal blender jar with lid, and one assembly. Elevate your blending game with the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender and enjoy delicious, customized blends whenever you want. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Breville Super Q. Engineered for precision and versatility, this blender is in a league of its own. With its innovative features like the super quick and super quiet motor, the Breville Super Q makes blending a breeze, whether you're whipping up a batch of almond butter or crushing ice for cocktails. The Breville Super Q blender BBL9 20 BSS in brushed stainless steel, the ultimate blending powerhouse for your kitchen. With its super quick and super powerful 1800-watt motor, the Breville Super Q blender ensures quick results every time, blending your favorite combinations of fresh fruits and vegetables with ease. Experience smooth and soft textures with less noise, thanks to the noise suppression technology that makes blending quieter than ever before. This commercial-grade blender features 5 one-touch programs and 12 speed settings, allowing you to achieve perfect results for every recipe. Whether you're making silky smooth smoothies, crushing ice, or creating hot soups, the Super Q blender has you covered. The Super Q blender also comes with a personal blender attachment, allowing you to mix food and drinks directly into your personal blender. Plus, it's compatible with the VacQ, which removes air from the jug before blending, resulting in smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors in your blends. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design and intelligent base that automatically recognizes the 68-ounce jug or your personal blender, the Breville Super Q blender is as stylish as it is functional. Upgrade your blending game with the Breville Super Q blender and enjoy restaurant-quality blends in the comfort of your own home. And finally, taking the crown as the number 1 blender of 2024 is none other than the Vitamix 5200. Renowned for its unrivaled performance and durability, the Vitamix 5200 is the gold standard in blending excellence. From silky smooth smoothies to creamy soups, this blender does it all, making it a staple in both home kitchens and professional settings. The Vitamix 5200 blender, the ultimate professional-grade blender for your kitchen. With its variable speed control, easily adjust the speed to achieve a variety of textures. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, putting you in complete control of your blending experience. The self-cleaning 64-ounce container is perfect for blending medium to large batches. Plus, with its radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, you can blend with confidence knowing your blender is equipped with top-notch safety features. Create steaming hot soups in just minutes with the Vitamix 5200 blender. The powerful blades reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Featuring hardened stainless steel blades, the Vitamix 5200 blender can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. From the first blend to the last, you'll get consistent, high-quality results every time. Cleanup is a breeze with the self-cleaning function. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds, saving you time and effort. Each Vitamix 5200 blender comes with a motor base, 64 ounces container, getting started guide, DVD, and classic tamper. Plus, it's backed by a 7-year full warranty, so you can blend with peace of mind. Upgrade your blending game with the Vitamix 5200 blender and experience the difference that professional-grade blending can make in your kitchen. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best blenders of 2024. Whether you're a health nut, a culinary connoisseur, or just looking to elevate your cooking game, these blenders are sure to impress. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these must-have kitchen gadgets.